Hello, my name is Seung and I'm here in Eco Center Nantes in France. And I'm PhD student for the hydrodynamic for the floating offshore wind turbine. And especially for my topic is about the hydrodynamic study on the heave plate, which is the very key element for the floating offshore wind turbine. Because with this plate, the floating substructure of the floating offshore wind turbines can survive from the harsh environment. I'm from the South Korea, especially in Busan, which is the very beautiful port city in Korea. And actually I major in the naval architecture and ocean engineering for my bachelor degree. And I had a chance to work at the industry named Hyundai Heavy Industry, which is the shipbuilding and offshore building industry. So I had a chance to work as an engineer for the ship hydrodynamics. And I wanted to do some more challenging things for my future life. So that's why I decided to quit the company and move on to the academia again. So I'm doing more interesting and challenging things in the academia area, especially at the Eco Center of Nantes. I was in the kinds of the oil company or merchant ship company. So I think those activities are also already good enough, because nowadays those shipbuilding industries also moves on to the sustainable energy, something like for the floating offshore wind. So anyway, all of the industries are now move on to the sustainable energy and activities. So that's why I moved a little bit earlier to the renewable and sustainable energy sector to study in detail. Actually, for me, the FLOAWER project is well-organized program for the PhD students or the early stage researcher, because this project proposed a lot of research activities, including the network and conference or communication with industry and also the academia. So for me, I also had a lot of opportunity and chance to go to the conference to talk with very expert researchers and engineers from different sectors. So I think it's very good and crucial opportunity for the early stage researcher. So nowadays I'm really satisfied with all of the activities I had during my journey as a PhD student. That question is always in my mind, actually, because it's my third year and also last year of my PhD. So sometimes I really want to keep my career in academia, or sometimes I really also want to do some work in industries, because the life in industry is also very interesting. But on the other hand, the life in academia also really nice, because still I also have some 2 years experience in academia as a PhD student. But I really surprised that all of the activities in academia, they really talk and communicate a lot of the research topics in detail with the research engineers and professors or other PhD